Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites, iOS 14 or later and the Apple News app present. Once done, unlock your iPhone and long press an empty area to enter jiggle mode. This lets you add widgets. Next, tap the plus button in the top left and type News into the widget picker so you can see sizes. Pick a size that fits your layout, small, medium, or large, then tap Add Widget. Make sure the widget appears before exiting jiggle mode, so placement is immediate and correct. After adding the widget, drag it where you want on the home screen or into Today view. Placement affects how you glance at headlines. Once positioned, long press the News widget and select Edit Widget to choose the feed. For you, headlines, or saved. Tap Topics to add or remove interests and link accounts if you subscribe. You can stack multiple widgets by dragging one onto another to rotate through feeds. Make sure preferred content is at the top of that stack for fastest access. Finish by exiting jiggle mode and watching the widget populate with live headlines. This confirms background refresh and permissions are working. If you want different regional content, open Settings News to change region, manage notifications, and ensure background app refresh is enabled for news so content updates. One key troubleshooting tip. If the widget remains blank, restart the iPhone first. If that fails, toggle background app refresh off and on for news, or remove and re-add the widget to force a fresh sync.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.